5 seconds to go. Start. Honorable members, keeping in mind the global requirements and challenges of the 21st century, the government has announced the National Education Policy for the first time. Students have been given the freedom to opt for the subjects of their choice under the National Education Policy. Students have also been provided the option of changing their subjects or streams in the middle of a course under the Pradhan Mantri E-Vidya. My government has developed the Diksha online portal as one nation, one digital platform for school education, ever sensitive towards safeguarding the interest of the students. My government has also successfully conducted the JE and NEET examinations in order to prevent the loss of an academic year. My government believes that the journey of the most deprived sections towards social and economic development begins with access to quality education. More than 3 crore 20 lakh such students are benefiting from various scholarship schemes of the government. This include students belonging to the scheduled caste, backward classes, forest dwellers, and tribal community and minority communities. It is the endeavor of the government to ensure that maximum number of eligible and needy students are able to avail the benefit of the scholarship. Along with this, the central government's share in the funding of a post matric scholarship scheme for scheduled caste students is also being enhanced. Similarly, the network of Eklavya model residential schools is being expanded to cover every tribal dominated block to facilitate the education of tribal students. So far, more than 550 such schools have been sanctioned. Stop.